comeback concert tour. Pero habang sinushoot ang isang commercial para sa kumpanya, aksidenteng nasunog ang buhok ni Michael. Sinugod si Michael sa ospital. Ang diagnosis, second-degree burns sa ulo ng Pop King. At simula rito, nakabalik man si Michael sa concert tour nilang magkakapatid. Ang magiging kasunod naman nito ay tila walang tigil na trahedya at kontrobersiya. 1987, naging huling tambalan ni Michael Jackson at Quincy Jones. Ang album na Bad. Sold out ang tickets para sa 5 gabing Bad tour ni Michael Jackson sa Wembley Arena sa UK. Sa unang linggo pa lang mula nang ilabas ang Bad, nakabenta na kaagad ito ng 20 million copies. Ngunit kahit milyon ang tumangkilik, hindi pa rin ito natapatan ang kasikatan ng Thriller.
By the third record, then he had a studio alongside the room that Quincy was working in, and he was putting his own ideas on tape. And then his confidence in his ideas was expanding incredibly. And his need, his desire to put them out and have them heard.
Kung ang mga naiisip ni Michael Jackson para sa kanyang susunod na album ay lumalawak at tumitindi, ganoon rin ka-wild ang mga naglalaro sa kanyang isipan pagdating naman sa mga live shows niya.
And, we created the biggest tour ever that will probably never ever be surpassed, and that all came from Michael's vision.
He sees the entire thing. He knows exactly what he wants and exactly what he wants to do. And that's really expensive. It's up to his managers and his handlers to try to figure out how do we make this work financially. And the truth is that, on Dangerous, it didn't work financially. He wanted it to be so perfect for his fans, and he wanted it just so that he was going to have to write a big check for it, and he did.
Big didn't mean anything. Bigger meant something. But biggest became, the synonym around the office.
Michael had this idea to end Dangerous that he wanted to fly off the stage with a rocket strapped to his back. And we all looked at each other and just went, what? It worked. Somehow he pulled it off, and it was the most amazing ending to a show I have ever seen.
Simula noon, hindi na maaabot pa ni Michael ang kataas-taasang rurok ng tagumpay at popularidad na kanyang natikman noon dahil sa paghila sa kanya pababa ng mga kwento tungkol sa kanyang tago at misteryosong buhay.
I don't know any longer what the truth is about Michael Jackson and what's purely fictitious.
Next, may pagkakamali ba ang nagawa si Michael Jackson dahilan upang unti-unti siyang malunod sa sarili niyang tagumpay? O patunay lamang ito ng kasabihang kapag nasa itaas ka, there's nowhere else to go but down? The Michael Jackson story continues sa aming pagbabalik.
Pag ako yung video na sinasabi ni Aurelio, gusto ko kunin mo ang video.
Kapatid mo ko, bakit hindi mo ko mapagkatiwalaan? Sa susunod na tatawagin mo kong Ella, sisiguraduhin kong mawawala ka sa kumpanyang to.
Sa tinagal-tagal ng paghahanap nila, mga sikreto'y mabubunyag na isa-isa.
Si Tita Celeste ang totoo nagpasabog ng planta?
Kailangan natin mapaamin si Venus na siya si Ella.
Kailangan namin magkita.
Saan? Kailan?
may kailangan kang malaman. May hawak ako na makakatulong para mapawalang sala ang